Understanding guided meditation apps.
Guided meditation apps are digital tools designed to help you manage stress and find calm. They offer audio or video sessions led by experienced instructors. With a wide variety of topics and lengths, these apps make it easy to bring mindfulness and stress relief into your daily routine, wherever you are and whenever you need.
How guided meditation relieves stress.
Guided meditations use calming voices, music, and structured breathing to direct your attention and ease racing thoughts. By focusing on the present and following along, you give your mind time to rest and reset. Consistent practice can lower stress hormones, promote relaxation, and help you respond more calmly in everyday life.
Getting started. Choosing an app.
There are many great guided meditation apps available, such as Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer. Look for one that fits your needs. Some offer short sessions. Others focus on sleep or anxiety. Most apps include free content, allowing you to try before committing. So experiment to see which style suits you best.
Creating your meditation routine.
To get the most out of guided meditation apps, set aside a few minutes each day. Find a quiet space, put on headphones, and follow the instructions. Starting with just 5 minutes can make a difference. Many apps let you set reminders or track your progress to help you stay consistent and motivated.
Tips for lasting stress relief.
Consistency is key. Try a variety of meditations, from breathing exercises to body scans, to find what feels best. Don't worry if your mind wanders. Simply return your focus gently. Over time, regular guided meditation may help you feel calmer, think more clearly, and handle stress with greater ease.